Before we proceed, let's not rush this. We're going to take a minute to pause and let this moment sink in. Look at each other and breathe. You've made it to this beautiful mountaintop to get married, and the rest of your journey begins today.
You know, the first thing that kind of popped out to my mind is Hayden always figured out how to get what she wanted, you know, even at a young age. Hell, we're all dressed in blue and we're sitting at the top of a mountain now, so it's still working out that way.
Okay. Thank you. Ready?
Yeah, I am.
Where's your handkerchief?
No, I'm good.
Dennis, do you take Hayden for your lawfully wedded wife, to love and to cherish from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health?
I do.
Woo!
Having pledged your love and promise to one another today in front of your friends and family, and by the power vested in me, it is my honor and delight to pronounce you husband and wife. And now the moment we've really been waiting for. Your first kiss as a married couple. Dennis, you may now kiss your bride. I present to you for the first time the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Muradovich. Please place your